Hi everybody, Temp Krieger here, TeamSecundy REMAX Properties. Looking so forward to showing you this beautiful property at 5865 Waterfall Loop in beautiful Crystal Park, the gated community inside of Manitou Springs. Come on in and let's take a look. Beautiful home features so many upgrades, whether it's the gorgeous high-end granite countertops on the kitchen, the big custom windows throughout the home, maybe it's the second additional ensuite full bathroom in bedroom number 2, or the 2 beautiful decks, the main deck coming off of the master bedroom in bedroom number 2, having a gorgeous view of a small spring-fed creek flowing through the backyard, and then looking up right at Cameron Cone. The views go on for days and days. You can see the city lights at night from Colorado Springs, or just gaze up into the Aspen Meadow behind the house, or even look at all of the beautiful rock formations around the home.